Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Threads application using your Instagram account on your Android smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to download the Threads application. So go ahead and open up your Google Play Store and then use the search box to search for Threads. Once you find the Threads application, just tap on the install button and wait for a while until the download and installation is complete. And then when you see the open button, you can just tap on it to open up the application. Now, since the Threads application is designed specifically as a messaging application for Instagram, you will simply need to tap on Login with Instagram to log into your Threads account. After tapping on this option, the Threads application will detect your name. You can edit your bio and add your links right now if you choose to do so, or you can simply tap on Import from Instagram to import your profile details. Now tap on the Continue button and you will be asked to choose between a public and private profile. If you don't want anyone else to see your threads, then choose a private profile. I'm going to continue with a public profile. Select your profile type and then tap on the Continue button. Now you will be able to follow the various accounts that you have on Instagram. Simply tap on the Follow button and you will be able to follow the various friends that you already have followed on your Instagram. You can also tap on the Follow All button to automatically follow everyone. When you have followed everyone you wish to, then just tap on the arrow button at the top right corner. Now you will see some information about how the Thread application works. Make sure you read these before tapping on the Join Threads button, and then just tap on it. You will now directly be taken into your Threads homepage. You can now scroll through various feeds and threads that have been customized for you based on your Instagram profile. In order to create a new thread, simply tap on the right thread button right at the bottom. Now you can just type in your message and then tap on the Post button to post your first thread. You can also tap on the Attachment button to share images from your profile. But to do this, you will first need to allow storage access. You can also set the privacy of your thread response by tapping on Anyone can reply. When you tap on this, you can see three options. Choose Anyone if you want to allow anyone to reply to your post. If you choose the second options, only the profiles that you follow will be able to reply to your thread. And if you choose the third option, only those that you directly mention on your post will be able to reply. You can also make your conversation longer by tapping on the Add to Thread button, and you will be allowed to create a threaded post. Also, from the homepage, you can tap on the Search button to search for any topic that you're interested in. This search function can help you to find topics that you should follow. If you tap on the heart icon, you will be able to see various activities within your profile and your friend circle. This includes follow request, which you can confirm by tapping on the Confirm button. After confirming their follow request, you can tap on the Follow button to follow them as well. At the bottom right corner, you can find the Account option. Just tap on this if you want to change any settings within your profile. From here, you can tap on the Edit Profile button to edit various information within your profile. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use the Thread application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.